Kitty, Boo-Boo, did you get into the catnip? Yeah, it's down there, Marley. Hi, did you come to find the catnip? Mar? Boo-Boo! Yeah. Boo-Boo, can a cat OD on catnip? Weirdo! Yeah, it's all over you. Look, it's all over your butt. What are you doing, you weird cat? Hi, Mar. Yeah, I know. He's rolling in the catnip that he found in there, in the drawer, that he ripped open a bag, and I had to hide it in my drawer. Look at the weirdo. Yep, Marley, there it is. Right there, Mar. Right there. Now Marley's gonna roll. It's only, hey, psst. Oh.